Okay, good morning, my beautiful people. Come on, your body, Oshie. This one beautiful comedy season when Brain Jotter just dropped. Not quite long. It never passed 30 hours when this one dropped. And the title, break time. Me and you know, say nobody we go talk say you never experienced break time for our life before, because all of us we go primary and secondary school for the Naija life. Come on, everybody. Oh shit! Like if you never subscribe to my YouTube channel, you could try to subscribe. You know as they go now. Come on, everybody. Oh shit! Once again, this one a Nigerian comedy reaction video. Come on, everybody. Oh shit! Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I see the hot. I saw the story be. Yeah. Let's get it. Brain Jotter now what kind of funny guy when we say he dey try. You get he dey try for real.
Ma, did I not look Astorish? Like I have charisma.
Astor what?
Astorish like Astolos. Like all those people that used to wear.
Now astronaut that she want to talk about too.
Like Astolos, the sun to the moon.
Oh, astronauts.
Yes, ma.
Clearly do not have brain.
Ma.
No, nothing. Continue.
Yes, ma. I was saying it, ma.
Wahala.
Like, science like this is in my blood. It's already in my brain like this. Ma.
Your brain.
Yes, ma. Like the science must be a person. Science golo be me.
It's golo.
Yes, ma. Like my mommy, when she pregnant of me, since then I've been doing science.
What, young lady, what's your name again?
Ejoluwa.
Problem. That's where the problem starts.
Why, ma?
Hear your name.
Imagine.
Call it again.
Ejoluwa.
Does that sound to you like the name of somebody that's ever going to be an astronaut?
Ejoluwa.
It sounds like somebody that's supposed to be a herbalist or one of all those priestess following the herbalist with calabash up and down.
Tell him.
Well,
Cry be that.
what's going on?
You're finishing my dream.
Hey, what dreams? What dreams? I'm even doing you a favor by telling you now, so that you don't even waste your time. Because the way it is now, you know Kukuma no book.
Yeah,
so
Brain Jotter for see this case.
Even if I don't crush your dream, Jam will crush it for you. And even if you mistakenly pass Jam, Nigerians will crush that astrology dream.
Oh, crush her for you. They
What
cry.
am I doing?
They cry.
Keep quiet. What do you think you're doing?
I'm crying.
You're crying.
I'm crying.
Do I look to you like somebody that wanted to end up in a secondary school as a guidance counselor?
Now here you went.
Like a counselor in maybe all these herbal.
You are a very stupid child.
Shoo.
Listen to me. My dream was to be a therapist in Hollywood, treating celebrities that have drug problems, not sitting down here and listening to a child who is clearly failing mathematics and physics and dreaming of becoming an astronaut.
You never start. Astronaut speaking.
Keep quiet.
You go meet Isholuwa. I've been waiting their name.
I'm supposed to be making me feel better.
I'm sorry.
Wahala.
You want to feel better?
Yes.
She wants to feel better.
Yeah, I'm looking at you like this. You have astrology in your blood.
Yes.
You are going to make a very
This will be the teacher herself. You know they try. You never really ready as I see so. This girl go give headache for this school. Wahala.
I walk in the sunshine.
Shoo.
Oh, I walk in the
Sunshine. Okay, this one are the scene two of the first 20 minutes. Or this lover boy for secondary school self. And so they go the button girl shirt just to impress the girl.
Sorry.
If person not they get into all this kind of nonsense for school, not make sense at all. Yeah, with the form.
Babe, even in this heat.
But get mine, now she be the queen, sorry.
That's so nice. But you know you don't have to say that.
Listen, you're my princess. I'll do anything for you.
Anything?
Yeah, anything.
Okay. Kneel down and tell everybody you love me.
Jesus.
Just that?
Secondary school girls say they use person place.
Class, listen. I have a very important announcement.
You want to announce your foolishness, so?
What are you doing?
You're an answer.
Kosi, I love you so much.
Head up boss for the class. Head up boss for the class.
How did you do? Come back for this thing.
I beg you from the watch.
I don't understand.
I beg subscribe to my YouTube channel. I beg. And
I don't understand.
make you write on the comment section where you from the watch. Thank you. Come on, everybody. Oshé.
Okay. Explain the one you know. Let me see.
Yeah, now cause see where they want to define photosynthesis.
Yeah, photosynthesis is where plants go inside water and then remain water and organisms.
That's the also photosynthesis.
Water and organism.
They are saying, teach me now.
Don't rush me now. Listen very well now.
They go rush you. See Igbo girl.
Photosynthesis is a process whereby plants and other organisms transform light energy into chemical energy. You hear me now?
You try. But this your Igbo accent, sef.
You will not
No
open your
wahala.
head.
I couldn't need it.
Everybody must go school. Oshé, from your body. I better subscribe to my YouTube channel.
This will wait and see. Come and get chase.
I don't know why we read. They always a day for class.
Just watch how come with this children.
We read must they day for place. You self, now use that be read, but see your face. Yeah, most here now. This one are the third scene. This one are the third scene for
For now.
the first 20 minutes.
You just have to endure. You remember, the reason why you chose this in the first place is because of the passion. Yes, the passion to
You just tell you wear
bring out
copper
the
uniform.
best from the students.
Never know what you got for school. You will see
Passion
Pepe.
to make sure they
Wait. First of all, don't speak for yourself. Don't speak for everyone. Just you are who chose this thing for the passion.
I'm a board teacher.
So it's passion that I used to eat this morning.
Okay now.
It's passion that I used to enter motor and come here.
Ask her.
That's not
It's
what
passion you used to do your front as.
The passion.
That's not what I mean. I mean like the passion to bring out the best from the next generation.
Like, watch out for the next generation that I will bring out.
Generation bringer.
Watch out for the next person that will study banking and finance. I swear to God, you will sell power bank. Jesus, think is the passion. But let's
sell
not
power bank,
watch out for the next generation. Watch out for what I will do to the next generation.
I tell
I
you.
really feel your pain. You know, I
Yeah.
feel your pain. I mean,
Yeah.
the school has been owing us for the past 2 months, and it's
2 months, 2 weeks, 12 days, 6 hours, 22 minutes. What's the time there?
That's the calculator.
17 seconds.
17 seconds.
Wow, I'm surprised you can keep the time.
Who put this for amount?
It's okay.
Who put your mouth to call you?
Maybe what we should do now is we should, try coming together and finding a solution.
Now go tire for this school. I never see anything.
Let me not lie to you. I think I'm getting sick and tired. I think it's high time we walk up to the principal and tell him exactly how we feel.
This is
Bam.
the most sensible thing I've ever heard you say. You are
Most
speaking the
sensible
truth.
thing.
Not to come here and be gossiping and saying, but he's not hearing you. You are telling
Right?
the truth. Yes.
Right?
Yes.
Trust me, I feel like that is exactly what we'll do.
Exactly.
Yes.
Confidence is the key to greatness. A closed mouth is a closed destiny.
Yes.
It's the right time we go to him and say, no,
Yes.
you can't be doing this to us.
You can't.
You
Yes.
can't be working and not be getting paid.
Yes.
You can't be working like elephant and be eating like ant.
Yes.
We have to stand up for ourselves and say,
Yes. Let's
we
go.
want this for ourselves.
Let's go,
You
my
need to
guy.
pay us our salary. It's
Yes.
been 2 months, 12 days, 6 hours, 12 minutes and 7
they quote everything.
Exactly.
That is more reason why I feel like you should go and meet him and tell him how you feel.
I don't talk and say you know.
Is it not you that is shouting?
You motivation.
Nowhere.
You know, be
I
the
like
shout
woman rights activists.
I dey talk, your own na to dey shout.
table.
Get away, you are
you flame.
They feel say na better thing you want to.
Are you the feel say na better thing I want?
This lady never fit manage children for the school. I bring daughter now you won't manage. See your dick, see my green.
Shebi you just graduate from university, use your activism and go and talk.
I foresee my green head dick for that lady.
With
I
this
drink.
guy, this guy is a
I bring daughter matter you want enter so.
That's how you know now.
Wahala.
That's how you know. This guy is a transgender. Because what are you doing there?
Because why will a
What
woman
are
be
you
taking
doing?
snuff?
You keep
Why are you
quiet,
taking
what are
snuff?
you doing? Because you are the one distributing it.
See, woman taking snuff.
Animal.
Idiot.
Woman wey dey teach PhD. Does woman teach
Who is teaching
PhD?
PhD?
Does woman teach
You have to be
PhD?
athletic. You have to be sporting so I can deal with
Sporting
idiots like you.
activity.
Woman dey teach
You're
PhD.
rubbish.
They chop,
Man, they think of economics.
chop corn and cocoa.
Now
Wahala.
when you
Onion
bring come
man.
now, idiot. Now why all the people so they display your face?
It's okay.
I'm not the only person talking.
One person should go now. I want to stand up to
It's
this
okay,
now.
it's okay.
One person should
Bridget,
go.
your wahala is too much.
Go and meet him.
I'm going. I'll
I
go.
better go. Get up, me they go first.
Thank you very much, sir. It's nothing serious, sir. I
There is
just
a
want
principal.
to come and appreciate you for being such a great mentor. A man I look up to and I know I see greatness. Sometimes you pass and I'm like, who is this man? So much wisdom, so much intellectual capacity. You inspire me and
Can you go straight to the point?
Go straight to the point.
6 minutes and 15 seconds.
I tell you, Chris, you better know what.
I know you have plans.
Pay you?
Yes, sir.
You bloody incompetent nincompoop.
This man wicked.
Pay you for what exactly?
This man is wicked.
Pay me bloody incompetent me come pull my salary for 2 months, 12 days, 6 hours, 36 minutes and 19 seconds.
Do you know how many complaints I get about you in a month?
I have no idea.
Why you not go tell
You're
him?
the one going this school.
You go tell him about the complaint so that you go sack him now. Which kind of scam you dey scam our people so?
I don't understand what you're going.
It's like you don't know your employment in this school. Your employment is based on CSR.
CSR.
Corporate social responsibility.
Corporate structure responsibility.
And the care not take it.
Hey.
I will sack you.
This
And
man.
guess what?
Yes.
You will never find employment anywhere.
Now them be this.
Your rubbish certificate.
Una full everywhere. Wickedness.
In fact, your
Wickedness.
university went as far as downgrading their degrees to 4 degrees lower just to graduate you.
Jesus.
You're just incompetent.
Okay.
How incompetent? How?
So what I'm trying to say is that you have not still paid us for 2 months, 12 hours, 36 minutes and 21 seconds.
The one seconds.
Leave my office.
Leave my office.
Sir, get out.
Get out. Well, I know they finish you.
Should I close the door?
No, not close that. Leave her.
Close the door, sir.
Get out
No,
of my
not
office.
close the door. Let it give her. I like you, Sha, man.
It's off your side.
Okay. We just go give una problem. You just a kira for you. Go pay them more. You are owing them money. You are owing them their salaries. Go and pay them. So now go just a wicked. Where you
Hello?
Where you dey watch
Nice
from?
to hear from you.
Like subscribe,
I was
abeg.
about to.
We are running out of time and we are running out of patience.
I have it all covered, honestly. Trust me. Hello? Hello?
Go
Boss.
pay your workers. Pay your workers. It be like say this guy dey cheat the. It be like say this guy dey cheat the staffs. It be like say
Okay,
he don chop money wey supposed to pay salaries. Money wey supposed to take pay salaries. Don chop am. Watch wetin this guy wan do here. It be like say he wan teach bad thing. Don lose guard. Bring your
Can
tie.
you do me a favor?
Okay.
Can you do me a favor?
A favor.
Can you just continue making the noise because I'm not even stopping you.
We will continue to make noise because he's not stopping them. Wahala. This is an astronaut. Class the quiet.
You will fail.
I said I go fail.
As far as I'm concerned, you will work.
You will fail. Wahala.
I say you should continue making noise. What did you do? You continue making.
Nice.
If your mother sends you on an errand, you bring the thing. If your mother say bring that remote, you bring the remote and you ask, Mommy, where should I put it? And she say drop it on my head. Will you drop it on her head?
No.
I'm asking you, will you drop it on her head?
No.
So now I said continue making noise and you continue. What does that mean? You
will fail.
I've been in this school for the past 2 months. They have not paid us salary in 2 months.
Yeah.
12 days, 6 hours, 50 minutes, and what is
29
the
seconds.
What is the time? What is the time? 39 seconds.
39 seconds.
And I come to your class and you're making noise. You will what? You will
fail.
I promise you that. If you will fail in flying colors.
As far as I don't receive my salary, trust me, you are going to pay the flying colors. I'm telling you the truth. You will, excuse me? Yes, you will like fail to succeed because failure comes before success. Do you understand? You agree?
It's okay. It's not important.
Yes, I was just trying to teach them about
You didn't teach them.
failure comes before.
Shut your mouth.
Shut up your
Did I
mouth.
ask you anything?
No, I was just trying to tell you in case you don't get it.
My adorable students. Highest class. Mr. Copper. I don't like the way you're treating my students.
Yes.
You're not encouraging me at all.
You encouraging
I'll
the
revisit that
copper?
later. I'll be stepping out and I'll be coming back very soon.
You don't encourage the
any
coppers
student
because you're
here
not
to
paying
leave
them
class.
salaries. That's the
There's an
truth.
exciting and important message I need to pass across.
It's in
Is that okay?
Yes,
So please, your best behavior, all right? Yes, sir. All right. All right.
Okay, grouping copper.
Yes.
5 types of animal. What did I say? 5 types of animal.
5 types of animal.
5 types of.
Shut up!
5
Mr.
types
Copper.
of animal.
Best behavior.
Best behavior.
Doesn't have it.
Oh shit. Come on your body. Oh shit.
Submit your assignment before I come back.
Still finish the assignment before I come back. And you don't give them any assignment too.
Open your Bible. Are you mad? Submit your assignment. I did not give you assignment.
So you don't give the assignment. This guy, what have you done with the salaries of your workers?
Thank God, the manager, sir.
What have you done with the salaries of your workers? Eh?
I'm going out now. And the students prepare for the exams.
God will judge you.
But I want you to do something for me.
See be that.
The fact that I did not give you an assignment is an assignment.
Okay.
Because it's an assignment of test.
Assignment of test, yeah.
The last time I came here and I taught you what photosynthesis. What did I teach you?
Photosynthesis.
What did I teach you?
Photosynthesis.
Don't you think that it's your duty to go home and research on the photosynthesis? I just taught you photosynthesis. You just take it. You sure, what is photosynthesis? You?
Students these days they don't read.
You are wasting my time.
Now is this one I go ask?
Plants of animal.
Place of
And-
it's the plant of animal place of correct. It's the plant of animal place of. A
Things.
round of applause for her. What did I
True. And that will be photosynthesis.
So photosynthesis.
And that will be
is the
photosynthesis.
These are animal plant and trees.
Exactly. God bless you. You go find life.
Amen. See that astronaut. Astronaut girly.
She's your class word. She's your what? What do you have to say to the class?
Class captain.
I love you.
Get out of my class, my friend.
Come on, get out.
Of this.
Sit down there, my friend. That is exactly what I'm saying. Trust me, I am here to help you.
Sir,
Yes,
I'm impressed right now. I need to use the toilet.
you are impressed.
No, I'm impressed.
So
You are pressed. Okay,
he's
what to
pressed.
use? Feel free, go.
One piece.
Anything that will support your failure, I am interested. Enjoy. Go to the toilet. Take
Okay
as
now.
much time as
Oh boy, use your brain. No go toilet too. No go
to the
piece. So.
toilet, Good. Any other person wants to use the toilet?
No.
No.
Wants to use the toilet?
Yes, sir.
You will know. So from today, photosynthesis is the name of any person, animal, place, or
Things. That girl na you was fast. Voila. I beg, where you from the watch? Subscribe to my channel and make sure you comment below the video. Come on, your body. Oshi.
But wait though. Even if it's a leaf, it doesn't matter now.
Because it's the thoughts and efforts that matters.
So
I'm just going to walk up to her and say, baby, the grass is always greener at
See
this
this one.
side.
What is they talk different? What is they do different?
Bad.
Problem not go finish. This generation, they don't really like read book. I don't know why. What is they teach for school different? What is this one? You want back? You want pluck, come and go live, go do love. No worry. Voila. Okay. It be like say hand robbers they come. Voila don't come. Hey, who be these people then? Jesus.
Oh yeah. Let's go down.
Jesus. You are these people.
This could see open.
Yes.
See open.
It's open.
You open. Who is that?
No. Some of us.
They'll not be security. I'm not sure say they be security. Okay. Let's say police don't come.
Oh, you come out this thing for your hand now.
But what's what happen for you now? Which kind of one this for school again? Yeah, na bank.
Welcome, man. Welcome. Good. Or what? Shooting.
Nigerian police. Bullet not there. You're gone.
You shoot me, miss. And once he miss, that this making head go. The head no go. Be don't go.
You don't go.
Okay now.
You want me to head go? No. Why you answer? You want me to head go? Okay. So now what you want gonna do?
Officer! Hey! Look at you now, eh?
See
Like
Albani.
this. If you know what's good for now like this, then I just step back. Or else!
Voila, your boss. But the truth of the matter is, say, if I say now continue to watch am, make una find the video. I go drop the link of the video under the description of this very one we play now, so that una go get the full video to watch. And so the story just be. But we don't know what's gonna happen here now. But may you try finish the video. I beg. Come on, your body. She. And so the thing be.
Get out! Why you tell them when they go back? Go back now!
I beg, try to comment below this video and try to subscribe, share and like this video. We do them like this almost every day.
Come
on,
the grass is greener on the other side, Abi.
Say the grass is greener on the other side.